This is where it all begins. A mountain of waste that will soon be transformed from raw material into a finished product.
Moisture levels on bin 3.
Already done, Supervisor. It's logged right here.
Good. Let's move to the next one.
Keep it coming, almost full.
Okay, tilting the next bin now.
250 logged.
All right, move this one out and bring up the next pallet.
Step in the raw-to-product process is the crucial pre-washing stage, where all raw materials are thoroughly cleaned before sorting.
The straws are dropped into the industrial hot water soak tank, where mechanical agitators and a powerful cleaning solution. The separation station ensures every straw is meticulously cleaned before moving to the next stage of production.
The second high-pressure rinse ensures any remaining residue is completely flushed away before the drying stage.
Perfect dryness, we can move this to the sorting area now.
The straws are now clean and dry, undergoing rigorous quality inspection before moving to the sorting stage.
The vibrating tables separate the straws by size, ensuring uniformity before they move to the next stage.
Once sorted and cleaned, the plastic straws are shredded into uniform flakes, ready for the next stage of the manufacturing process.
Check the flow rate on screen 3.
It's holding steady at 50 liters per minute.
The granulator breaks down the recycled flakes into uniform cylindrical granules, ensuring consistent quality for the next stage.
Silver. The royal blue color must be absolutely consistent. Through the transparent cover, we see the master batch blending. Check the pressure on zone 3. It's holding steady at 500 psi.
I'm just checking the length here with the digital caliper.
Making sure it meets the 4mm spec.
Precision is key as the hydraulic system opens the mold, revealing the perfectly formed royal blue pen bodies. Next, they move to the collection tray.
Look at this sink mark right here. Yeah, that's definitely a reject. Check the length on this one.
Ensure all gate marks are completely smooth before passing them to assembly. As the refills move down the line, we ensure the tungsten tip is perfectly seated, then conduct a roller test for a flawless finish. The assembly line here is fully automated. Robotic arms precisely insert the ink refills into the royal blue casings. The robotic arm precisely aligns the silver button, and the press applies controlled force, securing the refill with a definitive snap click. The clicking function test machine cycles the mechanism 10 times in rapid succession, ensuring consistent deployment. Here at the laser station, the brand within tolerance. This batch is approved for release. We need more film on Station 3.
Bringing it over now. Almost ready.
The retail packaging station, our team meticulously places 10 sleeved pens into each royal blue.
The seal looks good on this one. Stickers centered and flat, ready for shipping.
This video has been created for educational purpose using AI tools. The script and ideas have been inspired by publicly available information and competitor concepts and have been rewritten using AI to ensure originality. Visuals and animations have been generated using VO3, Meta AI, Grok AI, and editing has been done in CapCut. We do not copy or reuse any other creator's content. This video is for informational purpose only and does not present AI visual as real footage.